Hey guys, welcome back. It's episode 2 of the dash repair for the 2003 Cat Eye Silverado. Today I'm going to be prepping it for paint and then painting it. So I actually did all the somewhat sanding off camera. I decided to not do the filler. If you watched the first video, I'll have the link down in the description of that video if you haven't already, for the crack repair for the plastic welding. But I bought this, I bought this little putty from AutoZone, but I think it was like 12 bucks. It came with a hardener. But after looking at the cracks on it, there's not really much to fill in, to be honest. So I kind of just left it alone. The other crack was over here, and again, nothing really to fill in. So I kind of just left it. I grabbed a Scotch-Brite pad, and this down here is really hard to get in here and sand all this down. I just got the main loose spots. I wasn't able to get everything off, but this is cracked a little bit down here too, but that's way too thin to plastic weld. But anyways, so I'm just gonna wipe it down with this Rust-Oleum wax and tar remover. And then this is the color match paint I got. So it's SEM 17113. I ordered off Amazon. I think it was like 20 something dollars. Pretty expensive, but for a can of paint at least. But I mean, you're not really gonna find anything closer, in my opinion. So I'll have the link down in the description for this. But yeah, I believe it is a little bit off, but it's the closest I've been able to find. And I've read a couple forums. Everyone agrees this is the best looking compared to the original color. So I'm just gonna have to deal with it, and there's a good chance no one's gonna notice anyways. But this is the last step, really. So I'm just gonna set up a little spot outside. Again, you gotta be really careful with these. So I'm gonna just wipe this down really quick, and then we'll get to spraying maybe 1 or 2 light coats and then a heavier coat. Hopefully this is enough. I feel like it should be, but I don't know. I don't really want to wait another week to get a new can, so hopefully it's enough and we can get this wrapped up today. So got it somewhat set up on these old garbage cans, and got this little box to kind of support the middle here. I don't know how this is going to turn out. It's definitely not going to be professional results. Oh, that's broken. Definitely not going to look brand new, but I think this is the best way you can repair it, in my opinion. So if you want to follow this guide, do it. If not, don't. I don't care. But I'm not going to promise professional results because I have no idea how this is going to turn out, and with my luck it won't turn out good at all. But so I'm just going to shake this can up and get the spraying. So I just wiped it down, let it dry for a second, so let's see how it goes. So I got like 2 light coats. These cracks are definitely showing more now that it's not black. I still don't know if I'm gonna put filler down because I don't really want to restart. I don't know if it's worth it, in my opinion. At least it's like structural, but or I guess structurally sound, I should say. But I don't really want to restart, but so I might just keep spraying and then leave it because I don't want to mess it up even more. So I might just leave it. I don't want to have to sand it down, mess it up. So I'm just gonna keep spraying, to be honest, and leave that. And I mean, it's all the way in the back anyways, so that one won't be seen really that much. This one probably will, because it's right in front of where I'd be sitting. But I still just think I'm gonna leave it. So you guys can fill yours in if you want. I'm just gonna leave mine, keep spraying. So I don't know, we'll keep going, see how it turns out. All right, so I pulled mine back inside because it looks like it's about to storm out there, but so like I said, the cracks show a little bit more now that it's not black, and obviously the inside the cracks are black and this is gray, so it does show a little bit more, but I'm just gonna leave it now that I know they're at least structurally sound. But so far it sprays out a different color than the color dries, so you can see like right there is a little darker, so it's like some spots, but it's still wet there. But it dries the touch pretty fast, but it's kind of hard to tell since it's not in the truck, but I think it turned out really good. The color matches as close as I think you can get it, to be honest. Overall, for spending like 40 to 50 bucks in materials, I think it's a lot better than buying the stupid looking covers to put over it. So I mean, that from sitting like over here, you can't even tell that's there. So and it's probably even more hidden at eye level. Can't really show you, but I mean, you can't see it at all right there. So I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I'm gonna be posting more build videos on this truck, the 03 Silverado. I have a lot planned for it, some motor swap stuff. I'm gonna be getting a center console for it soon because it's a drop down middle seat right now. There's a lot of stuff I have planned, so stay tuned for that, as well as some more stuff on this. Hopefully I can get to the Model A soon over there. I got a lot of projects going on, so I'm just gonna keep trying to film for them, and hopefully we can grow this channel. So please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Go follow the Instagrams down below, share this video, and thank you.